Hey guys, if your Bluetooth is not working on your Mac computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you a couple of ways that we can fix this. So first thing you need to do is head over to the Bluetooth icon in the top right hand side of the screen, and you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now if it's already turned on, you can try toggling it off and on. Sometimes just doing this alone can fix simple issues. If that doesn't work, what you need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side, come down to System Preferences, click on Bluetooth, and make sure this box down here, Show Bluetooth in Menu Bar, is ticked like so. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then what we're going to do is disconnect all of our Bluetooth devices. Now to do that, you just need to press the cross icon next to each device and then go ahead and select Remove. Now you want to do this with all of your devices, particularly the ones that you're having issues with. And once you've removed all of your Bluetooth devices, you'll then need to restart your Mac computer. And once it's restarted, you can then try reconnecting to your Bluetooth devices. Now if it's still not working, the last thing you can do is head over to Launchpad in the bottom navigation menu. From the search box, type in terminal and then click on this terminal window. From here you need to type in sudo space pkill space Bluetooth and the letter D, and then just hit enter, and then you'll need to enter the password for your Mac account. So enter your password and once again hit enter, and that should then restart all of your Bluetooth services. And once again you can try reconnecting to your Bluetooth device, and that should have now once solved the issue. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.